I see engineering as a two-part major. The first part would be actually learning like how to just build in a team with the design process. And then I see part two of the major as a new way of thinking. Assess the situation critically and then think of an efficient solution.
And the way our classes are set up, our professors and our AIs, they're really engaged in our conversations. Like we'll just bounce ideas off them in the middle of class. You know, our AIs, we see them as, our mentors, but also as almost like our friends also in the classroom.
The small class is exactly what I wanted. The professors are able to gauge where we as an engineering class are. They also make sure that you understand what you're doing and why you're doing it.
The enthusiasm of our first group of freshmen has been amazing. They know that the program is evolving around them, and they are in some sense helping to shape it by telling us what works and what doesn't.
It's kind of exciting because you have this ability to take the major where you want to go.
Last semester, our first engineering class, E101, we had a final project to complete. We decided to make an interactive skee-ball machine, like the ones you see in the arcades. Through that, we were able to program it so whenever the ball would go through any one of the holes, we had a light sensor there that would detect when the ball went through, and it would change the animation on the screen based on which hole it went in through. So that was probably my favorite project. It was definitely a lot of work, but it was still a lot of fun.
So my team attempted to make a laser maze, and then we ended up making a whole wall interactive like the tap-tap game.
Working with this group of students has been fantastic because they are in constant communication, and I'm learning from them as they're learning from me.
Right now we're working on building a visual mechanical logic device to place in the new building, Luddy Hall. So it'll be something that the first cohort of engineers gets to put their little touch on the new building. So we're all really excited about that.
Traditionally, engineers are valued in the workforce, but often just because of the rigor of their education, rather than the specifics of what they've been taught. We are trying to bring a very particular, very marketable, very directly applicable set of skills to the educational program to provide those to students so that they are ready to enter the workforce fully prepared to face modern challenges.